let me show you something. Wait, okay. Okay, I'm gonna tell the truth. The truth is, let me know in the comment. Just let me know in the comment section. And who is that? It's a joke. I'm gonna tell you the truth. Okay. That's my pamangkin. She's my I'm her tita, and she's my pamangkin. She's very sweet. She used my mom's makeup, and she used everything. A girl. And I'm just okay because she's too young to be I'm gonna get angry to her because she used my mom's makeup and she didn't know. Tapos wala siyang paalam. And okay lang naman sa akin yun kasi bata pa siya. Pero hindi naman sa sobrang bata kasi. So, super young pa siya mag-makeup. Kasi alam niyo naman yung mga bata, di ba? Ay sobrang bata pa. Tapos, pagkarating niya sa bahay ng mama niya, dun sa ate ko, parang nagalit yung ate ko. Kasi, she's too young to use the makeup. Tapos, okay lang naman sa mother ko. Pero yung ate ko, I think she's not angry. Angry siya konti kasi alam niyo naman, bata pa yun. Pagsasabihan na lang natin. Bye, guys! Never mind my nails. I just make it. Oh, guys, I got a squishy. I make this. This is white wafer choco. Bye, guys! Better like and share and subscribe.